Ah, fancy seeing you here. Come on in. Welcome to my kitchen. And this is 5 cupboard essentials and 1 cooked meal. Hold it. Chicken seasoning. Right. Soup noodles. Spaghetti.
Ragu!
Boiling. Enough spaghetti for 2? Who knows? You get your meat, you squidge it in your hands, you make a bowl. Bada boom, bada bing, meatball. That's a bit big. Squish it in half. Other end. Got 2 meatballs. So we're going to partially bake the meatballs on one side. I unfortunately don't have a meatball grabber, but I've used my initiative and got 2 forks to get stuck in. Simply turning them over so we get that nice, crispy, golden brown on both sides. As you can see, the oil's not quite hot enough yet to get that crispness that we're going for. But with a bit more turning and a bit more tender love and care, these meatballs are on the right way for a good dinner. Oh, well for here, if anybody needs a chat with Pat, she's just down at reception. Give your spaghetti a quick test. If it flops, it's cooked. Now it's the time to meet a good friend of mine, Colin. Take your spaghetti, just be careful, the pan will be hot. Put your trusty Colin in the sink and pour your spaghetti over there. Let it drain. Oh, we're halfway there. Oh, add the ragu to the spaghetti. Now there's many ways to do your ragu pasta sauce. I'll go for the simple way. I like the separate spaghetti and separate sauce. You can mix and match, make it your style. But let's heat it up. Sauce to a nice temperature, just how I like it. Get your spaghetti. Pour a nice portion in for yourself. So now, get your ragu sauce, or pasta sauce of choice. Simply dollop it on top. Now when your meatballs are nice, golden, crispy and brown, simply take your meatball assembles and take 3 of the finest meatballs and place them on top. I'll do it tomorrow.